In this lesson, we will learn about the scales on maps. For Tufan Tortoise's birthday, Babble Duck Uncle sent some sweets with Golu Panda. Uncle gave Golu a map from his house to Tufan Tortoise's house, which was marked with a dotted line. Can you tell through which places will Golu pass on the way? If you want, you can find the answer to this question by pausing the video. Great kids! Your answer is absolutely correct. Golu went on his way. After a while, he got lost. That's when he saw Meenu on the way. He asked Meenu for directions. As soon as Meenu saw the map, she told Golu that he would have to go about 4 kilometers more. Golu was shocked to hear this. He told Meenu that he had walked 1 centimeter on road number 1 as per the map given by Uncle. But he could not see Appu's confectionery far and wide. Meenu then draws Golu's attention to the scale written on the map. On the scale, it was written 1 centimeter equals 2 kilometers. What is this? Is this a scale? What is a scale? Children, have you seen a map? Do you know about the scale on the map? Meenu is explaining to Golu that because in reality paths are really long, we cannot show their length on a small paper. Therefore, we use scale. As written on this map, 1 centimeter equals 2 kilometers. What could it mean? This means that 1 centimeter of map is equal to 2 kilometers on the earth. Do you know how we can use this scale? The distance of road number 1 on the map given by Uncle is 2 centimeter. How many kilometers on earth is 1 centimeter according to scale written on the map? 2 kilometers. What is the distance of road number 1 in this way? 2 times 2 equals 4 kilometers. Golu is happy and at the same time sad about the scale because he would have to walk far enough to reach Appu's confectionery shop. Walking on road number 1, Golu finally reached Appu's confectionery. He bought sweets from there for Tufan. Can you tell which road Golu will have to walk next? Look at the map and tell. Alright, Golu now has to go to road number 2. Now can you tell the distance of road number 2 using the scale on the map? You can find the answer by pausing the video. Kids, your answer is absolutely correct. The distance of road number 2 is 8 kilometers. Here the distances of all the roads coming in the way of Golu are shown in centimeter. Now can you identify the longest road on the way? Now use the scale to tell the distance in kilometer of the longest road. You can pause the video and find the answer. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. Road number 6 is the longest road and its distance is 10 kilometers. Will Golu get lost ever again? What will happen with Golu? We will see in next video. Children, in this lesson, we learned about the scale on the maps. This lesson, we learned about how to use a scale on the maps to read direction. No. If we reach a point, how will we decide which path to go? To know this, we have to know about right and left direction. In this lesson, we will learn about the right and left directions used in maps. In previous lesson, Golu had bought sweets for Tufan from Appu's confectionery. Now, Golu again started with his journey. After going some distance, he saw the board of road number 3 on the road. He was shocked. According to Uncle's map, he should have been on road number 2. So where did Golu make a mistake this time? Golu was to go right on road number 2 from Appu's confectionery. But he took a left turn from Appu's shop, which was road number 3. Kids, do you know how to identify right and left directions? The direction that comes to your right hand side is called right hand side, and the direction that comes towards your left hand, we call it left hand side. Do you want to learn an easy process of identifying the right hand and the left hand? The left hand starts with the letter L and hence denoted with L. Keep your hand like this. Now, the hand whose thumb and index finger is making the letter L is your left hand, and the other one is right. Let us understand this with another example. Suppose Golu stands here and has a bucket on one side and a ball on the other side. Now, how will Golu identify which side is the bucket on and which side is the ball on which side of his hand? It is very easy. By the process that we learned, Golu would raise both his hands in this way. Now can you tell which hand is making letter L? Yes, with this hand. So, which hand of Golu is this? Alright, left hand. And this hand? Right hand. So, which side of hand does Golu have the ball? Left hand. And the bucket? On his right hand. After looking for the way, Golu finally reached road number 2. Walking straight on road number 2, he is now standing at such a fork end of the road. Can you see the map and tell which road Golu has to take next? Yes, Golu will now have to go to road number 5. Can we tell from the process we learnt that to get to road number 5, Golu has to turn right or left? If you want, you can pause the video and find the answer to this question. Well done, kids! You have found the right answer. Road number 5 is on the right hand side of Golu, so he will have to turn right to go to road number 5. Golu has now started walking on road number 5. Reaching the end of this road, he went to the left and the last route of his journey. The road started at number 6. Children, can you look at the map and tell that from where will Golu pass on the road number 6? Which side of Golu will this place be? Find the answer to this question by pausing the video. Absolutely right. Walking on road number 6, Golu will pass next to the post box. The post box will be on his left hand side. Walking straight on road number 6, Golu finally reached Tufan's house. He gave Tufan the box of sweets that uncle sent and also gave him lots of birthday wishes. Children, in this lesson, we have learned about the right and left directions using maps. In this lesson, we will see use of scale and direction in the maps. One day, Bablu reached the village of Ulta Pulta. As soon as he reached the gate to go inside, he found a map which was upside down. Bablu was extremely naughty. He immediately went inside the village, but there was nobody in Ulta Pulta village. He got a little scared and wanted to come out of the same gate where he entered from, but it was closed. Then he recalled that he has a map of the Ulta Pulta village, but Bablu did not know how to read the map. Can you help Bablu to get out of the Ulta Pulta village? Pause the video and look for a way to get out of the village. Absolutely right. Bablu can use any of these routes to get out of the Ulta Pulta village. Here, the length of paths of Ulta Pulta village is written in centimeters. If Bablu is standing near the gate going in, so can you find the shortest way to get out of it using the scale written on the map? How long is this road? You can find the answer to this question by pausing the video. Yes, by using way 1. We can take Bablu out of the village of Ulta Pulta by the shortest route. We add the length of these 4 roads. How many centimeters will we get? 13 centimeter. Can you really tell the distance by looking at the scale written on this map? You can think by pausing the video if you want. 1 centimeter of map is equal to 5 kilometer on the earth. Therefore, how many kilometer will 13 centimeter be? 13 times 5, that is 65 kilometer. The length of the shortest route actually is 65 kilometer. Bablu was going towards the shortest path mentioned by us when suddenly he was pulled towards road number 3 towards the magical well. Now if Bablu has 2 exit routes, are these 2 paths at equal distance? Find an answer to this question by pausing the video. Absolutely right. Both paths are exactly at the same distance. The total distance on the map is 16 centimeter. So the actual distance would be 16 multiplied by 5. That is 80 kilometer. Now Bablu tried to go out of road number 3. If Bablu is on road number 4, then which side is the magical tree? The magical tree is on the left-hand side of Bablu, which means it would be on the left. Bablu crossed road number 4 in fear and also walked on road number 5 and has come to an end of it. Now Bablu is thinking which way he has to turn. Can you tell us which direction Bablu has to turn from the unique cave to road number 6? Absolutely right. Towards left. Bablu ran fast and crossed road number 6. Now, which road will he take after turning right? Road number 7. Bablu crossed road number 7 from the spot and reached the exit gate. Bablu came out of the gate and regained his strength. Kids, Bablu is thanking you for helping him. Children, in this lesson, we have seen the use of scales and directions in maps.